Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can take notes on your iPhone without opening the Notes app. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your settings application, and then inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on accessibility. Now scroll below, then tap on voice control and toggle it on. Once you have turned on your voice control, you can go ahead and simply use voice commands for note taking. After that, you can even say, "Hey Siri, take a note," and your iPhone will open a quick note for you. You can type or dictate anything you want. It saves automatically. For instant access, head back to your home screen, open up your control center, simply long press on the screen. Now tap on Add a Control, and then you'll eventually find something that says Quick Note or Note. Go ahead and simply select it, and then it will automatically be added on your control center. So whenever you need it, you want to go ahead and simply tap onto it, and your note will automatically be opened. And that's it. All of your notes are automatically saved in the Notes app, so you can review or organize them anytime. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned until our next upload.